So in this problem here, we're looking for the gradient of the normal to the graph of the function defined by this. At this point is 1. So this is the normal. Find the values of a and b. So I have two variables, so it means I need two equations. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug 1, -2 into the equation. So -2 is equal to a times 1 squared plus b times 1 plus 1. And so I know that a plus b equals -3 is the first equation. Now the second equation says the gradient at that point is of the normal is 1. So if the gradient, the normal is 1, that means the tangent gradient is -1. And so I'm going to find the derivative of this function. So I get 2ax plus b. And I know that when x equals 1, y prime equals -1. So -1 is equal to 2a times 1 plus b. And so now, if I take this function and I'm going to go -2a minus b is equal to a +1. If I add the equations up, now I could use polysimultaneous if I had it, but I don't have it on this device. So I get -a. I get -a. -a is equal to -2. So a is 2. And so take the a is 2 in there, so I get 2 plus b is equal to -3. And so therefore b is equal to -5. So I get b is -5 and a is 2.